Good evening. I am Dr. Shriban. See, this is 11th standard boy. I reduced his overweight from 140 kgs to 70 kgs. 140 kgs to 70 kgs. Totally I reduced 70 kgs for this boy without protein powder, without protein powder, without juice, without running, without tablets, without exercise, without bariatric surgery. That is the speciality of my weight loss clinic. I give only balanced home food diet plan. Okay. If you don't reduce your overweight, you will suffer from dangerous diseases like diabetes, high bad cholesterol and high blood pressure. Be very careful. Diabetes, high blood pressure and high bad cholesterol. If you have any of these three diseases, you have more chances to get heart attack and death. Be very careful. If you are suffering from sugar, pressure and cholesterol, you have more chances to get heart attack and sudden death. Be very careful. If you are having lower abdominal fat like this is called truncal obesity. Even if you do not have diabetes, do not have high blood pressure and do not have high bad cholesterol, still you have more chances to get heart attack and death. Be very careful. This is called abdominal obesity. Very dangerous. It will cause sudden unexpected death due to heart attack. Be very careful. Be very careful. Okay. If you are suffering from high blood pressure, you have more chances to become kidney failure. If you are suffering from high blood pressure and diabetes, you have more chances to become a kidney failure patient. Be very careful. Be very careful. If you are suffering from diabetes, high blood sugar, you have more chances to become blind. In the future because of diabetic retinopathy. If you are suffering from diabetes, you have more chances to get a big wound like this and you will suffer in your old age. Be very careful. If you are eating so much of tablets every day, you will have depression like this. Be very careful. Depression is very dangerous illness. Don't play it as a joke. If you are suffering from diabetes and you are not eating your food in the balanced form, these are the complications. Removal of the leg. Be very careful. So, what is the reason for diabetes? What is the reason for high blood pressure? What is the reason for bad cholesterol? There is only one answer. Eating our home food in the unbalanced form. So, only if you eat your home food in the balanced form, you can prevent all the complications which I told you right now. Don't waste your life. If you eat 4 tablets daily, you will eat 1460 tablets in 1 year. If you eat 4 tablets daily, you will eat 1460 tablets in 1 year and you will spoil your liver and your liver will get damaged. If you eat 4 tablets daily, you will eat 1460 tablets and you will spoil your liver, gallbladder and pancreas. Be very careful. If you eat 4 tablets daily, you will eat 1460 tablets in 1 year and you will unnecessarily spoil your liver, your gallbladder and your pancreas. Don't waste your life. Don't waste your life. Don't waste your life. If you don't eat your home food in a balanced form, and if you keep on eating tablets for so many years, you will have a complication like this. You will have a complication like this. Be very careful. If you don't eat your home food in a balanced form, and if you are eating so many tablets unnecessarily, especially eating pressure tablets, patients eating pressure tablets will have complication like this. Don't waste your life unnecessarily. You will have hip joint pain. This is called, in Tamil they say iduppu theimanam. Have you heard about this? Don't waste your life. You will have a dangerous complication called iduppu theimanam. Iduppu theimanam. Your hip joint becomes so weak because when you are eating so many tablets like this, when you are eating so many tablets for so many years, the calcium in your food will not get absorbed. So you'll get hip joint weakness. You'll get hip joint weakness. Be very careful. If you get hip joint weakness, you will be bedridden in your old age. Be very careful. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? If you get hip joint weakness, hip joint pain, hip joint weakness, you will be bedridden in your old age. You will be bedridden in your old age. See, this is a person with severe hip joint pain. Hip joint pain. Hip joint pain. Do you want a life like this? Do you want a life like this? See, severe hip joint pain. Severe hip joint pain. If you eat so many tablets like this for so many years, your calcium in the food will not get absorbed. So you will have severe back pain in your old age. Do you want a life like this? See, hip joint pain, injury, damage to the hip joint. Your old age will be like this. Do you want your old age like this? Do you want your old age like this? Do you want your old age like this? See, so many diabetic patients, they will have shoulder pain like this. So many diabetic patients will have shoulder pain like this. Do you want a life like this? Be very careful. See, hip joint pain, if you eat so many tablets, your hip joint will get damaged. See, do you want a life like this in your old age? Do you want a life like this in your old age? Do you want a life like this in your old age? Be very careful. Be very careful. If you eat 4 tablets daily, for 1 year, you will eat 1460 tablets. If you eat 4 tablets, see, 4 tablets, 1460 tablets. Don't waste your life. If you get hip joint pain, you will get bedridden. If you have hip joint damage in old age, you will be bedridden. Be very careful. Be very careful. See, hip joint pain, hip joint damage, hip joint damage, hip joint damage, hip joint damage. Right? If you don't reduce your this abdominal obesity, even if you eat tablets regularly, it will not work for you. If you are having abdominal obesity, even if you eat tablets or even swallow your tablets, it will not work for you. Think about that. When you are having lower abdominal obesity, even if you eat tablets regularly, it will not work for you. Shall I repeat? If you are suffering from abdominal obesity, even if you eat your tablets regularly, it will not work for you. If you are having abdominal obesity, if you are eating tablets regularly, it will not work for you. Be very careful. Right? At the same time, if you are having fatty liver, even if you eat your tablets or if you swallow your tablets, it will not work for you. If you are suffering from fatty liver, If you are suffering from fatty liver, even if you eat your tablets or even if you swallow your tablets, it will not work for you. If you are suffering from fatty liver, even if you swallow your tablets or eat your tablets, it will not work for you. Keep it in mind. Very, very dangerous. You will get liver failure. You will get liver failure. If you get liver failure, death will happen very soon. Liver failure, be very, very careful. Okay, if you have hip joint pain, you cannot even sit for toilet. Even if you cannot sit for toilet, be very, very, very careful. This is a dangerous complication. See, if you don't eat your home food in a balanced form, if you don't follow a balanced home food diet plan, you will damage the inner side of the blood vessel. It will get blocked here. The inner side of the blood vessel get blocked. Be very careful. Don't spoil your life. If you don't eat your home food in a balanced form with correct amount of protein, fat, vitamins, minerals and carbohydrates, this will get blocked. Be very careful. If you don't eat your home food in a balanced form with correct amount of protein, fat, vitamins, minerals and carbohydrates, it will damage the inner side of the blood vessel. If it damages the inner side of the kidney blood vessel, if it damages the blood vessel in the kidney, you will suffer from kidney dialysis. Do you want kidney dialysis? Kidney dialysis. If it damages the eye blood vessel, you will have blindness. Complication of diabetes is blindness, total eye blindness. Be very careful. If it damages the blood vessel in the leg, even if you get a wound like this, it will not heal. At all. See, inside here no blood. So even if you get a wound like this, even if you do dressing, it will not heal at all. See, they will remove your leg as a complication of diabetes. Be very, 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 very careful. If you damage this, it's very, very, very dangerous. See, so be very careful. If you are having a lower abdominal fat, you have more chances to get what? More chances to get heart attack and sudden death. Be very careful. So, I am going to ask you 3 questions. What is the reason for diabetes? What is the reason of high blood pressure? What is the reason for bad cholesterol? What is the reason for this abdominal obesity? There is only one answer. Unbalanced food. What is the reason for obesity? What is the reason for sugar? What is the reason for pressure? What is the reason for cholesterol? There is only one reason. Eating unbalanced food. So what is the correct treatment for all the 4 diseases? What is the correct reason for all the 4 diseases? Correct treatment for all the 4 diseases? You must eat your home food in a balanced form. With correct amount of protein, fat, vitamin, minerals and carbohydrates. If you keep on eating this tablet and insulin lifelong, you know the end result. I have shown everything now. If you eat 4 tablets daily, you will eat 1460 tablets. And finally you will end up in kidney failure. Be very careful. Be very, very careful. Okay. So, what is the carry home message? If you want to live healthy, or if you want to stop your tablets, or if you want to stop your insulin, you must eat your home food in a balanced form with correct amount of protein, fat, vitamins, minerals and carbohydrates. Am I right? So if you want to stay healthy in your old age, you must eat your home food in a balanced form. Balanced form. Balanced home food diet plan from Dr. J. Shiban. What is my name? Shiban. Shiban. I am Dr. Shiban, MBBS DCH, specialized from world famous Madras Medical College with 25 years of medical experience. I give balanced home food diet plan. I give balanced home food diet plan. I give balanced home food diet plan. If you have any doubts, you can call me at 944-3487-004. 944-3487-004. Don't forget to share this video with your good friends. Let them also please help at least one person in this world. Don't forget to share this great video, great awareness video to the world. Okay. So if you have any friends with overweight, please share this information to them. So this is the boy. I reduced his weight from 140 kgs to 70 kgs. 140 kgs to 70 kgs, totally 70 kgs weight loss. 70 kgs weight loss without protein powder, without juice, without tablets, no running, no gym, no exercise, and no bariatric surgery. That is the specialty of Shiban Weight Loss Clinic. I give only balanced home food diet chart. I give only balanced home food diet chart. You can prepare the food in your home and everything can be cooked in your home kitchen itself. Stay healthy. Don't waste your life. We live only once. You want to live with this? Do you want to live with this? Do you want to live with this? Every day you have to eat tablets. What is the reason for diabetes? Eating unbalanced home food. So what is the reason for high blood pressure? Eating unbalanced home food. What is the reason for bad cholesterol? Eating unbalanced home food. What is the reason for obesity? Eating unbalanced home food. So what is the treatment? Treatment is very easy. Treatment is very easy. The answer is balanced home food diet chart. That's all. Stay tuned with Dr. Shiban. Shiban. Stay tuned.